Hello, in front of me I've got the Ddpai Mini One dashcam. In this video I'll show you the camera preview. As you can see, that's the only thing that the camera has to offer. There is no screen, only this holder, lens, microphone reset, and right here we've got the power cable and USB port. Despite this small size and no screen, we've got 32 gigabytes of memory on this camera, so we don't need SD card. And also it's small and we can hide it behind, for example, rear view mirror. Installation of this camera is very easy because basically only thing we have to do is take out this plastic, because under it we've got the glue film that we have to glue to this second part of the fabric. This one we also have to free from this plastic covers and attach to front windshield. In addition to the camera in set, we've got this installation tool, power cable, manual, and in the end we've got this USB adapter. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.